Yo, move out the way, bro. This is mine, boy. This is mine, boy. This is mine, bro. What are you doing? This is mine, bro. I got it. Bro, I got it. Yo!
I need this chair, bro. You don't understand. Pick me, bro. You lost. Bro, I'll do anything.
Yes, indeed. It's milk, guys. Yes. You're probably wondering what's happening. Well, I'm not gonna tell you all the details, but the real main issue is here. You want this chair, right? Both of you guys?
Yeah.
Yes, you guys want this chair? But what do you really want it for, contestant number 1? Why do you want it for? What's the real reason? For what?
To sit down.
To sit down. Now, contestant number 2. Why do you want this chair, the last chair of the church? This guy, I don't really believe him.
I low-key need it for the husband.
No, I
For the huzz, okay. Looks like you're being honest. I think it is for the huzz. So, ladies and gentlemen, calm down, okay? Calm down. Look, you guys are Christians, right?
Yeah.
You guys are Christians?
Yeah.
Okay, this should be very, very easy for you to answer these 3 questions. And if you can answer all 3, or even 2 out of the 3, you guess what? You get to win this chair. And you get to impress that church girl or pastor's daughter. So, let's start off with question number 1, shall we? Who built the ark to survive the great flood? Is it A, Moses? Is it B, Noah? Or is it C, David? Or is it D, Solomon? Come on, guys. Clock is ticking. Any takers?
Noah.
What was that?
Noah.
Noah? Correct! It is Noah. Okay. Don't worry, buddy. Don't worry. We got 2 more questions. You can still win this one, okay? All right? Don't lose faith here. Now, what was the first book of the Bible? Is it Psalms? Or is it B, Genesis? Or is it C, Matthew? Or D, Revelations? What could it be, guys? What could be the first book of the Bible?
B.
B? You said B?
Genesis.
Correct! Oh my gosh. Looks like we got a tiebreaker here. We got a tiebreaker. All right, guys. This is the last question, okay? there's still an opportunity here, all right? One of you guys can take that chair and press that girl and show your strength. Not only the strength physically, but faith. So, last and final question. The Gospel of John. Jesus performed his first miracle at a wedding in Cana. What did he do? Is it A, he healed a blind man? Is it B, he fed 5,000 people? Maybe. Or is it C, he turned water into wine? Could be. Or D, he walked on water?
I know.
What is it?
D. He
D?
walked on water.
Walked on water. I'm so sorry.
What?
You failed! You got it incorrect! Yes, incorrect. You heard me right. Incorrect. Now, Alan, contestant, this is your last opportunity here. Remember, he said that D, so we know that's incorrect. There's 3 more multiple choices here. You can be correct here. Okay, 50-50.
Yeah.
You want to repeat the question to you?
Yeah.
Okay, question. The Gospel of John, Jesus performed his first miracle at a wedding in Cana. What did he do? He healed a blind man? Or B, he fed 5,000 people? Or C, he turned water into wine? Or D, which we know is incorrect, he walked on water?
C, he turned the water into wine.
He got it! You got it! Correct! Alright, you're gonna be taking this chair with you, buddy. You're gonna show off. And I honestly, man, I had faith in you in the beginning. Not you, not so much, I'm sorry. Maybe next time you can win this one. I don't know. Maybe be another time. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching for the last share. So, tune in for the next episode. We're gonna find out if these 2 individuals who are coming up on the screen here are able to win the next event. So, thank you for tuning in and watch next time. Okay. Bye.
Come on, bro. Take it.
Why didn't you take
My
it?
shoe fell off.
Can somebody get that chair, please?
You know you're weak.
Come on. No.
You talk to that girl. Okay. Who built the Ark of the Cut? No.
Wait, but see if it's showing your leg.